You're standing on your property, looking at the possibilities. But between you and your vision stands a challenge. Raw, untamed land, uneven slopes, a blank slate that needs a master's touch before the first nail is ever hammered. This is where the real work begins, long before the builders arrive. It starts with sculpting the earth itself. The first step is clearing, carefully removing vegetation to reveal the true canvas of your property. Then comes grading. This isn't just about creating a flat pad, it's about shaping the land with precision, ensuring water flows away from your future foundation, protecting it from the first day. We create the stable, structurally sound base that every successful project is built upon. But the most critical work is often unseen. Below the surface, we carve the pathways for life's essentials. We dig the trenches for water, sewer, and power lines, the vital systems that turn a structure into a home or business. We install the infrastructure correctly the first time, ensuring your property is functional, reliable, and compliant from the ground up. In California, protecting your land is just as important as building on it. That's why we engineer smart water management and erosion control systems. We stabilize hillsides, manage runoff, and implement solutions that safeguard your investment against rain, wind, and time. We're not just preparing your site for construction, we're preparing it for the future. Your project deserves more than just a cleared lot. It deserves a perfect foundation. From initial site planning to the final grading, we handle every phase of groundwork with expertise. Let's turn your vision into a reality. Contact DW Excavation today to discuss your project and schedule a site consultation. Let's build your tomorrow starting today.